Welcome to the Alarm.com Smart Thermostat Z-Wave enrollment tutorial for the Qolsys IQ2 panel. After your thermostat has been installed, it will need to be added to the Z-Wave network. If you need help installing your device, you can contact a local HVAC technician for assistance or use the provided instructions. Now let's set up the panel in Z-Wave enrollment mode. You must first swipe down, select the settings icon, select Advanced Settings, enter your master code, select Z-Wave devices, select Add Device, then finally Include. Try clearing the device if you're having trouble adding the thermostat. Once your device is in Z-Wave enrollment mode, you will trip the thermostat on its own settings menu. Your thermostat has 4 different buttons. Menu allows you to access options to change the mode, fan, settings, and other features. The Select button allows you to select options in the menu. The up arrow adjusts set point up or navigates the menu. The down arrow adjusts set point down or navigates the menu. If there is nothing shown on the thermostat's display, press one of the buttons to wake it up. Press the menu button, then press the down button to settings. Press Select, then press the down button to network. Press Select, and press Select again on Add to enroll your thermostat. After this step, you must return to your control panel to name the device and finalize your installation. Your thermostat setup is now complete. You can now control your thermostat from your security panel or by using the Alarm.com application on your mobile device. The Alarm.com Smart Thermostat gives you access to set schedules, which helps you save money by automatically controlling your temperature. You can even integrate your smart thermostat with the Amazon Alexa to give you quick access to comfort. Interested in finding out more about your Alarm.com Smart Thermostat? For more information and to watch related videos, visit myprotectamerica.com.